Want to know how to convert your list into a bullet point? Well, no worries. In this video, we are going to create an agent that can easily convert your sentences, your list, or anything that you want into a bullet point easily with just a single prompt. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to just simply open up agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be on this interface right here. And now you should be on the home screen. And now once you're on the home screen, here just simply name your agent anything. So I'm just going to name it bullet generator, and then just simply type in this. Now once you have typed in this prompt right here, just simply click enter, and once that is done, it should start adding up your prompt and it should give you your bullet generation after converting it from the list. And that's it, super simple and easy. And as you can see right here, it's been converted, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.